Company, Mosaic Fertilizer, Robin Co., and McDonough Plumbing. And as promised, Charlie, there's a beautiful formation, and they call that formation the Finger Four. And why? Because just hold up four factories that produce 100,000 warplanes. Clearly 50% over than the prediction of President Roosevelt. How did they do that? They were Americans. They wanted to get their boys home. They went to the factories and they did double duty. There's the box, you know, the little bomber with bomb bay doors open. High and to your right, it is the Curtiss Helldiver. By the way, 1900 horsepower, Curtiss electric prop. The airplane first flew in 40 but didn't become operational until 43. Which one? The one coming down from your right. It had a bomb bay prop, and that allowed it for a greater speed. The airplane fully loaded was over 1,000 of these twin engine bombers were built. Out of the sky. Low to your right, the last Curtiss Helldiver. Does it look unusual? Well, you've probably never seen one before because there is only one. That made possible by some. This is a costly endeavor. Parts are there. But focus to that football. Scooter Yoke, he's 24 years of age. He is a graduate from Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, graduated just last year. An 18-year restoration by his father, Mr. Bill Yoke, of Lewisburg, West Virginia. That's what they do. They, in fact, restore airplanes. This, you could comb your hair in the side of the fuselage. As I mentioned to you, the P-51, built to the tune of $15,985. Only about 90 or 100 flying actively in the world, 150 registered in the world. The B-25 Conchito, I told you that was built to the tune of just under 10,000 units. A very fast airplane. In fact, the airplane coming in over your right shoulder was ready for World War II, and in a dive, that airplane was faster than many of our fighters of the beginning of World War II. That's the airplane coming into view. Mark 2800. Very fast. 80 men went out, about that exercise. The movie came out in 1943. Starring Spencer Tracy bought the airplane. They are graceful here after the popular engine. This is how they began to work on the computer and projection for okay. You know, you good that looks pretty in front of the spectator area. Right where you are. Perfect for the monster. Take up a lot for the Metro Plus. Also made famous as Lieutenant Dan in the motion picture. This is the new little bomber with the bomb bay doors open that led the surprise attack on Tokyo and other cities that morning in April of 1942. All 10 cameras at all lines on the stars and bars. In the military colors of the Quicksilver P-51.